The letter M. M stands for meerkat. The meerkat made maracas with macaroni. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase m. It looks like the lowercase printed m, but with an extra hump. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up to the dotted line, making a hump along the dotted line. Then go down to the baseline and back up again for a second hump. Then go down again and back up for the last hump. You don't retrace the downstrokes when making the humps. End with a smile. Write the letter M in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase M. It only has 2 humps. Put your pencil on the top line and curve to the right before going down to the baseline. Now go back up and make 1 hump just under the top line. Go back to the baseline and make another hump, starting just a little below where the first hump is. Go down to the baseline and end with a smile. You don't retrace the downstrokes when making the humps. Now write the letter M in the air. Let's practice. We connect the uppercase M and the lowercase m with their smiles. Let's write mama. Let's write this sentence. Mama made a meal. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills!